do? It's your boy Var with the Henny. Keeping it 100, straight like that. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's go. What it do, guys? Another video, guys. It's a new video. I got the same thing on from the last video, or the video from the last. It don't matter. I'm posting videos after video, so I'm making videos back to back to back. All right, so right now, guys, what I'm about to do right now, I'm about to watch the player Sling shot, guys. I'm about to take y'all on the journey. My neighbor keep talking to me. Yeah. He keep talking to me. I'm trying to make a video. All right, so I'm about to watch the player Sling shot, guys. I'm about to show y'all. It's waterproof. So I already hit it already with the what's called with the pressure washer. So I'm gonna be pressure washing everything, guys, so y'all can see that it is waterproof, that you can wash it. And yeah, we're gonna do that, man. We can do that, man. So I know y'all want to see it, man. I know y'all want to see the player get washed, so y'all stay tuned, man. Enjoy this video. Y'all have a good song, a good dropping song from the drop right now. So let's go.
Six got that work. Six got that work.
guys. So I'm back. Yes. So we went over there and I didn't put the car in there because it wouldn't make sense for me to put the car in there. And, you know, the guy that's getting his car wrapped could be following me or whatever. And yeah. And he see a car and everything. I mean, we want to be a surprise at the end of the day. So yeah, it was on me. He said I could have did it, but you know, I was like, you know, ain't no need to put that on there. We just gonna wait until he get it all the way fully wrapped. And I will go back over there and show y'all because he do good work. And you know what I'm saying, he need to be out there, you know what I'm saying. We need to put him out there so people can see, you know what I'm saying. So they can go get their car wrapped from him or whatever because he do good work. And he did my wrap on my car and stuff, so he gonna do my full wrap for me. So yeah, y'all tune in, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned on my channel because he will be doing a full wrap for me on my car. I ain't gonna tell y'all what I'm getting, but I will be getting a full wrap, and I'm getting a full. Well, not a full wrap for the slingshot. He will be doing a wrap for my slingshot too as well. So with that being said, guys, I got more video will be dropping. There's just a little short video right here, man. Y'all want to just watch the channel or whatever. I'm gonna have some more stuff on here with the me riding the slingshot. So with that being said, guys, this is gonna be the end of this video. Hope y'all like, and please comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, turn your bell for notification on. Every time I drop a video, you will be notified. Do that for me, man. And y'all subscribe to my channel, man. I'm just a young man trying to make it in the YouTube world. I know it takes time, and I got plenty of time. You know, with my business and everything going on too. So I'm not really, you know, saying like I let everything manifest for me. So over the time it will provide. You know what I'm saying? We'll go up from there. So I'm not mad. You know what I'm saying? I enjoy doing this, man. I enjoy making videos. So with that being said, guys, hope y'all like this video and stay tuned for more, and please subscribe to the channel, guys. Let's go.